Okay, I wanted to demonstrate how to change propellers on a JJRC EPIK. Just really quickly, you'll need the replacement propellers, of course, and the small screwdriver that came included with your kit. It's a small Phillips head tip. In the manual, it indicates that if you have these little caps, if it has a dot on it, then it's going to be reverse threads. And in the case of my drone, none of them have dots on them, so they're going to be traditional American style lefty-loosey, righty-tighty screws. So if you didn't read the manual, or maybe if you're watching this video, you tried to unscrew these little caps and they just kept turning and turning. These feel like they'd want to turn, but actually you just pull up on them. Pull up while you twist, perhaps. Here we go, there's one. I'll just demonstrate on this one. Make sure if this says letter B that you have a blade that's marked letter B, and I do. There are a couple very small screws here. Carefully go lefty-loosey. It's a magnetic screwdriver, that's nice. Alright, there we go, she's off. Let's set aside the one we don't want. I'll take the screws and put them back through. Make sure it says letter B on top here. We're not putting it on upside down. Now you'll see the two holes. You'll have to put this down in the middle, but line up the holes, at least come pretty close. And then as you turn right, if you're close enough, those screws will go right in. There we go. Pretty snug, but don't over tighten. We don't want to break anything, strip anything out. And just put our cap back on. Just push down firmly. There we go. Hope that helps.